Amber Alert.
The West Virginia Emergency Management Agency, Charleston, West Virginia. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Fairmont, Marion County.
Alright, I'll wait for you, WPDX.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the West Virginia
WWLW is going off.
Charleston, West Virginia. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Fairmont, Marion County. The Marion County Sheriff's Department and the West Virginia State Police are looking for EMMALINA, a white female, 3 years old. The following message is transmitted at the request of the West Virginia Emergency Management Agency, Charleston, West Virginia. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Fairmont, Marion County. The Marion County Sheriff's Department and the West Virginia State Police are looking for EMMALINA, a white female, 3 years old, with brown hair and brown eyes. The child was last seen at 1112 Country Club Road, Fairmont, West Virginia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. Authorities advise the child was likely abducted by a Rosemary Glospell, grandmother to EMMALINA HINNERMAN. If you have any information on the
on 104.9
76 degrees 304-367-5300 or the West Virginia State Police.
Every life makes it perfect. Change. It's part of our world.
A weak weather disturbance may allow for a few more afternoon and evening thunderstorms on Wednesday. Some of the storms Wednesday may briefly become strong to perhaps severe, mainly across northern West Virginia and adjacent.
To provide the best medical care
Still going off.
for future generations. This is St. Joseph's Hospital, embracing change for 100 years and for years to come.
WXJ85 went off, WWLW went off, WBOY went off, WPDX failed, it didn't relay at all. Another CAE.
The Marion County Sheriff's Department and the West Virginia State Police are looking for EMMALINA, a white female, 3 years old, with brown hair and brown eyes. The child was last seen at 1112 Country Club Road, Fairmont, West Virginia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. Authorities advise the child was likely abducted by a Rosemary Glospell, grandmother to EMMALINA HINNERMAN. If you have any information on the whereabouts of EMMALINA HINNERMAN, please contact Marion County Sheriff's Department at 304-367-5300 or the West Virginia State Police, your local 911 or SPR cell phone.
I don't want to check WBOY real quick.
Vaccinated. Masks are still required.
Oh boy, I think that's NERP. See the NERP going off, or this is causing it to go off?
This year, 1,900 involving mass disputes. The Southwest Airlines flight. begins with you.
Right there. That's
Welcome back. Health officials are saying only a small fraction of fully vaccinated people have still contracted COVID-19.
WDTV.
Those cases are called breakthrough infections. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention released a new report on the phenomenon today. According to the CDC, more than 10,000 breakthrough cases were reported as of April 30th. That's among some 101 billion. Is back with the week's weather. That's the full forecast.
no, they're the freaking.
Ultralight super absorbent formula traps odors, and its crystals change colors to help you monitor your cat's health.
See about WNPB.
Just before the video
No.
of Roman Pacific.
Maybe WVFX? I know where.
But you're free, Doris, and